So I came to Gadget Fix today because I completely smashed up my screen, and within under an hour they've given me a new phone screen and a screen protector, and everything's sorted now.
I came in and my phone was completely smashed, the back and front. It was bent in the middle and looks like a whole new phone. So happy.
I came to Gadget Fix Leeds, broken screen. They replaced it in an hour. Great timing, and I came here because they have the best review in Leeds. And
got my phone fixed, saved £130. Quality was good, service was quick, and yeah, brilliant.
I came into Gadget Fix. I walk past this road all the time because I'm at work. My work phone broke, so it was completely smashed and it had a mind of its own. It was clicking every single button you could think of. Obviously I need it for work, so I came in. It was done within the hour. I just couldn't pick it up till a bit later. It's absolutely perfect, and now I can actually do my job, so thank you.
Hey guys, Jean-Pierre here. I brought this iPad here and it was absolutely smashed. The whole screen was damaged, and today it's in good condition. I'm so surprised, and I want to thank you guys so much, and for that reason I'm giving these guys an absolute big massive 5-star. Come check them out, they'll solve your problems.
Laptop had a charging pair problem, and I didn't really know what to do. I had uni and I was like, where do I go? Saw this, saw it on Google, and I was like, I'll come here. Great repair, really speedy, 5 stars.
Don't risk it. Gadget Fix It. Get a quick quote today and fix your broken phone, laptop, or tablet. Gadget Fix It.
Action. Alright, I'll give Gadget Fix 5 stars. I brought in my laptop, the screen was cracked, I thought it was absolutely done out, but they've managed to give it back to me in 2 weeks, dead quick. Yeah, dead please, 5 stars.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie, my PS4 was pretty banged up, like pretty bad, but they fixed it in a day, quicker than I expected it to. I recommend people coming down here if you're looking for a quick fix, straight up.
In Leeds, I needed my phone fixed urgently. This was before, this is after. I give Gadgets Fix a 5-star rating. Superb service, quick fix repair, best in Leeds city centre. Get your phones fixed here.
Was liquid damage, but unfortunately I found this store and I got it fixed so quickly. I'm very happy about it. Thank you very much, I appreciate it.
Fun service as always, thank you very much guys. 5 stars.
I've got my Xbox fixed, giving it 5 stars. Absolutely brilliant, quick, come down, and yeah, get your gadgets fixed.
So I came into Gadget Fix yesterday with my iPhone. Phone was broke, screen was broke, couldn't use it at all. Had text updates with what was going on. Perfect, yeah, got it fixed within 24 hours. That's more than what I could have asked for. So thank you very much, and I rate it 5 stars.
My phone was charging really slowly, the charging port was really messed up. I had to move it all around just to find the good spot. Got it done in less than half an hour and for a really good price. Definitely 5 stars from me.
I'm super happy with the services here. They've been super awesome. The services is excellent. I cannot recommend more. So 5 stars for you guys. You're the best.
It was completely smashed at the back, and now Gadget Fix repaired it for me fully, and I'm really happy. 5 stars.
My laptop was broken, dropped it on the floor. I needed my laptop fixed, had a load of good reviews, came in, within 2 hours I got it fixed, and I couldn't be more happier.
I give Gadget Fix 5 stars for excellent customer service, great product knowledge and speedy turnaround.
Good afternoon everyone, here we are at the Gadget shop. We've had a lovely day, come back, boom, job sorted.
Yeah, they treated me very well and they explained the process very quickly and gave my product in time, which was very much needed. Thank you so much.
Hi, my laptop is dead. The guys here told me to fix it as soon as possible, in less than 24 hours. Now I can continue with my essays, and yeah, I'm super happy.